You're going 100 mile an hour.
I go to the right and put a little bit.
Okay, let's. You're doing it, Christine. Turn, go to the right, left a little bit. Left.
Okay.
Left again. Left again.
Yeah, don't get back.
More left. More left. There you go. Right. Right. Right.
Stay in the middle of the left and boost.
Left. There you go. That's enough. Yeah, just a little bit. Look how fast we're going. We're going 100 mile an hour.
I go to the right and put a little bit.
Okay, let's fast.
Yay. Fast. Cool. So where do I stand in the
Straight. Follow that boat. See that boat?
There, you're going behind that boat.
Which boat? Oh, right there. I got it. Okay.
That one parked over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're doing it.
You bump that boat over there, you know you're going straight.
Zigzag.
Okay, as soon as we get to there, we can go faster.
You're going to go.